Hello friends, Merry Christmas to all of you. Today I am going to make a Christmas cake and here are all the ingredients for a Christmas cake. Uh, 1 cup of maida, half cup of powder sugar, half cup of butter, half cup of yogurt, 1 cup milk, 3 tablespoon milk powder and 1 teaspoon vinegar, vanilla essence, Eno fruit salt and 3 pinch of salt. And all these ingredients I will mix in a bowl and make a smooth batter from it. Here I am going to mix all the ingredients in a bowl one by one. Now I am going to mix all the ingredients. At the end I will add Eno, vanilla essence and vinegar. First I will make a smooth batter from this mixture. Here I have mixed all the ingredients. Now I am going to mix 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into my batter and 2 teaspoon of white vinegar into it, and I will mix it in a mixer grinder. Now I have poured all my cake batter in a mixer grinder. This is the same mixer grinder that I have used to powder the sugar for cake. This mixer grinder I have used because I don't want to waste my excess sugar powder. So I have used the same jar. Now I am going to add 1.5 sachet of Eno into my cake mixture so that it will rise and will bake with a puff. I am going to add these Eno sachet. One and half sachet of Eno is appropriate for 1 cup of maida cake. Now I am going to blend it. Here I am going to blend my cake mixture for more than 2 minutes. Here I have blended my cake mixture. Now I am going to transfer it in an aluminium pan and I will bake it in cooker for more than 45 minutes. Here I have greased the pan with oil and I have brushed up and dust up with a little amount of maida in it so that the cake will come out very smoothly. See the consistency, how smoothly the cake come out from the mixer grinder. Here I have taken all the batter from mixer grinder into a cake pan and I have added some dry fruits into the cake batter so that it will look good when it will come out after bake. Okay. Here I have taken a pressure cooker and fixed a plate into it and preheat it for 10 minutes. Now I am going to put my cake vessel into it and will cover with lid and will bake it for more than 45 minutes. I have taken out the rubber and whistle from the cooker. Here I put cake tin into the pressure cooker and put my gas level on low flame and I will bake it for more than 45 minutes. After baking 50 minutes on low flame over the gas, I have taken out my cake pan and let it cool for 5 hours. After 5 hours, I am going to demold my cake. Here is my cake. Wow, it looks so spongy. Now I am going to do icing on my cake. Now I am going to cut down and divide my cake into two separate sponge and I will make the layers of my cake. Here I have divided my cake into two separate layers from the middle and I will do icing on it. First I will soak these two layers by the help of sugar syrup. Here I have made sugar syrup by dissolving 4 tablespoons of sugar in 1/4 cup of water and boil it till the sugar dissolves in water. Then I cool down my sugar syrup. Now I am going to add this sugar syrup on my cake. Here for icing, I have taken the Amul Taza milk cream and Kisan jam. I will mix 3 tablespoons of Kisan jam into this heavy whipping cream and I will make the frosting for the cake. Here I have mixed fruit jam into my whipping cream and I make a thin batter of my icing cream. Now I am going to put this batter over my cake. Now I am going to add some cut fruits over my cake. Here I have cut down some fruits into sugar syrup and I am going to add all these fruits over the first layer of my cake. Here I have completed my first layer of cake. Now I am going to do my second layer of cake. Here I have decorated my cake with cherries, kiwi, dairy milk chocolate, jelly beans and gems. Now I am going to keep my cake inside the refrigerator for more than half an hour to set it, and after that I will cut it and enjoy it. Here my Christmas cake is ready. I have decorated side borders with amawat. Now I am going to put my Christmas cake inside the refrigerator to set for at least 30 minutes. After half an hour I have taken out my cake and it's all set to eat and enjoy. Merry Christmas, folks!